Okay, so solving this one, what do we do? First thing I think we'll do is actually expand the left-hand side. So let's end up with negative 8x minus 6 minus 1 equals x plus 5. Now let's just simplify that to get negative 8x minus 7 equals x plus 5. Let's aim to get the x's on the left-hand side and the numbers on the right-hand side. So we've got negative 8x minus x equals 5 plus 7. So here our negative 7 on the left-hand side became plus 7 on the right-hand side because we added 7 to both sides. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. The plus, there's an invisible plus in front of the x. On the right-hand side, we took x off both sides, so it disappeared from there and turned up here. So our 8x minus x is minus 9x equals 12, because 7 plus 5 is 12. So x equals 12 divided by minus 9. So we put the minus up the top. And then that's going to be common factor is 3. So that is going to be x equals negative 4 thirds. And let's have a look at our answer scheme, which is here. And we can see that x equals 4 thirds or equivalent is actually level 6. Negative 4 thirds or equivalent is level 6.